Today, I'm going to show to everyone how to make overlays. It's easier than you think, so let's jump into it. I have already started that. In the beginning, you just have to write the lyrics, and that's the easy part. Just make sure that the words are properly synced. I'm going to speed up this part because it's easy, and I think everyone can write. Now we're finished, so in my opinion this is the most important part. Now we have to add some details. So basically what you have to do is change some words with emojis and use some keyframes. So as you can see, I'm using keyframes, and you have to put one in the beginning of the word and one at the end thereafter. Tap on the second keyframe and zoom in. Now, let's jump on Video Star. Tap on the plus and then add the video we just made. Tap on New and then Transform. Then add versus Motion Blur. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. Now that we're finished, let's add the video to our camera roll. Now we're finished. Just add the overlay to the background if you have one and everything is finished. Now I'm going to show the final product that I sent to my client.
5'5", she golden brown. Word in the street, she'll talk of the town. And if bro gets back first, just know that I'm holding it down. I'm trying to make out the ends tonight, I'm wondering how that sounds. And she wanna go on a date uptown, just tell me your whereabouts.
I hope you liked this video. For more content, please subscribe.
5'5", she golden brown. Word in the street, she'll talk of the town. And if bro gets back first, just know that I'm holding it down. I'm trying to make out the ends tonight, I'm wondering how that sounds.